everyone, my name is Chris Fair, and in this video I'm going to teach you how can you make your personal computer into a web server. Okay, so first of all you have to open your control panel, a control panel on your PC. Then after that you have to open programs. Okay, then after opening programs you have to click here on turn Windows features on or off. After that, we have to wait until it loads. Let me maximize this window so that it should look proper. Yeah. After that, you will find this Internet Information Service box. It will look like this one. It will be empty. Okay. So you have to click it so that it should look as it is looking here. I have already clicked it so because it takes time to load and apply changes, almost 5 to 6 minutes until it loads. So for simplicity, I've just already clicked it. But what you have to know, when you open this window, it will look like this one, and you have to click it so that it should look like that one. And after that, you have to press OK, so that you can apply the changes. Then you can cancel. Now, after doing that, so now I'm going to tell you how can you test your website using your PC as a web server. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to go into your C drive, open it, and after opening it, you have to look for the folder called inetpub. This one, inetpub. You have to open it. Inside the inetpub, you will find this folder, www. Okay, the www load. Then you have to open it. Inside that one, you have to create your own folder. And in my case, and after creating it, you will name it anything you want. And in my case, I will just name it page. Okay. Yeah. Now you have to open it, and inside the folder you have just created, you have to put the codes. Okay, the codes that you have written. In my case, I've already written a few codes, so I'll just take them. Oh no, come on, not there. But oh, let me just copy. Let me just copy off and paste them here. What I need are just the codes. Yeah. Okay. My codes, for example, calculator, don.html, index.html. Yeah. So after that, then you have to open. A web browser. Okay. So in your web browser, you have to type http Then you have to write localhost. Okay, localhost. After you have typed localhost, then you have to put a slash and type the name of your folder. So in our case, we named it page. So I have to write page, a slash, and in my case, I'll just type the index.html, then line. You see, it's just a sample. Okay, it's just a sample, but you can see that uh, after entering this location, I have accessed my web. So my PC have worked as a web server. Okay, you can use any browser. It will do the same. Okay, yeah. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.